Wow, look at that. There's a heavy traffic going on in there. It's a very long queue. Yeah, the cars are moving slowly and slowly. I've never experienced such traffic since I left the... You know, one thing I noticed about Australian is that even if they are moving in a very low traffic like that, they don't overtake to the other side. Yeah, even if there is a big space, I mean the left wing or the right wing, they don't overtake. They follow the rules, and they are actually giving a proper distance when it's come to the traffic like this. It is not going to be a bumper to bumper ride. I really like this Byron Bay. Yeah, the good thing about Byron Bay is that the valley. Yeah, if you remember yesterday, I was in the valley, and from the valley I've seen a beautiful view of the valley, and then from the top of the hill also I see the nice view of the Byron Bay. Yeah, it's good. Maybe they don't have big shopping mall here, but those shops in the street are enough for you to enjoy the things, you know. It's like a, you know, city life and the valley life together. I am moving against the wind. It's making me slow. Yeah, if you can see that guy, his bike is punctured. Yeah, I offered help to put the patches that I have, because I still have some patches, but he said, I think I'll just be walking to the town and I will buy a new tube. Yeah, because he thinks that the puncture is big and will not be able to fix by just these patches. So yeah, and it's still a little part to get to the town. Yeah, we are now here in this place. This is after the Byron Bay. Yeah, this area is the end of the bike lane. And we are now going to use the left wing of this road. I hope it's just going to be safe. Yeah, and then here there's one tourist attraction. It calls the farm. Maybe this is something like a, you know, a farmland, but for tourists. And we are here in the Brunswick. Yeah, this is Brunswick River, and we are heading to Ocean Shore. It is good that they have a bike lane here. And according to Google Maps, they have a shopping mall here. There is Target, Kohl's, and other supermarket. Look at that. We are going uphill, but we can manage that. We are right now here in the Wooyoung Way, and in here, as you can see, the field, all those are sugar cane. Yeah. I don't know, I think it is sugar cane when I first saw it, and then I asked the guy there who do the traffic, and he said, yeah, it is a sugar cane. Yeah, it's so many. It's from there all over until that side. We're basically avoiding the Pacific Highway, because Pacific Highway is mostly just cars and trees. We don't see much in there, but the good thing about the Pacific Highway is that mostly are flat and wide, and they have a big bike lane, so yeah, you don't need to worry about going uphill, things like that. But yeah, I prefer to see things like this. We are actually heading to the town that is near to the beach. Without you in a fine tooth comb, I was soft inside. There was something going on. I am having a concert and my viewers are the cow. You did something to me that I can't explain. Hold me closer and let me feel no pain. Every beat of my heart there was something going on. Yo, break it down, yeah. Yeah, this is amazing. I am surrounded by a sugar cane plant. I can actually just stop and pick one and eat. But I will not do that. We are still in this road. I think this is connected to the Wooyoung Road that I told you before. Just behind there is already the beach, the sea. I just checked on the Google map. We're going to get there. Oh, rough road. Good afternoon. Look at this, looks beautiful. Interesting, huh? And this is how it is. Whoa. Hey, cool. Yeah, there are some surfers on that side. And of course there are some people fishing. I checked on the Google map and this is a long bush road. Good thing is that this is a shaded area. There's a lot of trees. Also, there's not so much car in here. Wow, look at this. There is one roaster. If you can see that, yeah, that's a roaster. And normally, roaster in the Philippines is very much taken care of because, yeah, most of the guys, I mean the family guy, the family man, they are using that for cockfighting. I know cockfighting is not really good in the eyes of other, but yeah, it's common in the Philippines. We're just going to have a look in this beach. Oh, not really near. Yeah, the water is very near to the shore. And it's deep. We're not going there. I reached this community. The name is Black Rocks. This looks expensive community. This is similar to those in Corlet, Nelson Bay, Salamande Bay area. Whoa, they have private lakes. Awesome. Yo, we stopped in this Sparse Bill Water Shopping Center. I eat some pie again, the second pie. And look at this, I will show you. There is a bakery here. And I bought the pie there. Look at this. Domestic house cleaner. Honest at working, bathroom light dusting, minimum $30 per hour. Have own chemical. Yeah. So if you are hard working and you like cleaning, you can do that too. And you can charge them 30, 40, 50. It's up to you. But you know, the plumber, you know, yeah, they usually charge around $80 per hour. And the same, you normally per hour. Yeah. And also we are going to the shop and we're going to buy instant noodles. I'm craving for instant noodles. The name of the place is Sparse Bill and they have a camping ground here. I was thinking of doing a camp in here. I will have a coffee in one of the coffee shop. Let's just walk. And then I will ask a favor to charge my battery. This is actually the center of the town. I can see there are some establishment and restaurant. They have the IGA on that side. There is a pizza house in there. This Thai restaurant. And this one behind me is a drive-through bottle shop. I saw a Japanese lake cafe, and they have coffees and sushi, things like that. I was hoping that I will be able to charge my, the battery of my bike, but as I was looking, there is no outlet for the electrical, so I was shy to ask them if they have, if I can charge my battery. Yeah, I just buy one sushi roll and yeah, and then I check my mobile phone if I can reach the Coolangatta. Coolangatta is the location of the airport of the Gold Coast, and it shows that it can be reached by 1.5 hours according to Google Map. But since I drive relax and easy, that may be 3 hours. But along the way is I think I can do it because you know there's no so much hills along the way. Sorry. Yes, I think I can do it. I am in the middle. Here in Australia, you don't see much basketball court, but you see more of this rugby court. Football court. Yo, again I reached this place. Yeah, like a few minutes from Sparse Point. Yeah, and this is nice. They have restaurant. I feel like I'm going to have a coffee here, and I will try to charge my battery. And this is the view. There is something like a small island in the middle. Wow, beautiful. Yeah, the sun had just set down there, and I'm still having my cappuccino and banana bread, and I have my battery charging in there. I've seen that it's already one full bar, so now on the second bar we'll just going to finish this cappuccino, and we are going now. Yeah, I stayed there for around 1 hour. Oops. It's heavy. Yeah, I stayed there for about 1 hour, and yeah, I charged my battery, and I put some dollars, few dollars on their tip box. Yeah, they have tip box. Yo, we are traveling in this bushland. I needed to travel in the night because yeah, I need to be in the Brisbane or no, in Gold Coast on time because Ronald is waiting for me. Look at this. This is a football field and it's fully lighted. It's not really a highway, it's just a major road heading to Gold Coast. I mean heading to Coolangatta.